Here, I'm going to call him right now. The guy that said, fuck off. Watch. He literally said, leave me alone. You don't want to buy. You just annoy me. He had enough time to text that. He's interested. Let's see if we can turn this guy's attitude around today.
Hello?
Mark, how you doing? This is Eric with Prime Partner Home Buyers. How you doing today, bud?
It's who?
This is Eric with Prime Partner Home Buyers.
Why do you people keep bothering me? You guys don't really want to buy my house, either one of them. You just want to annoy me.
Oh boy, I'm sure I can tell right off the rip, Mark, your phone gets bombarded daily, don't it?
Yeah, and I just, within the last hour, I had two other people call me
Jeez.
about one wanting to buy my house in Palm Coast and one wanting to buy my house in North Carolina.
Good Lord.
And nobody wants to make me an offer that's even makes sense.
Really? So you own multiple properties. Your phone's just getting annihilated.
Yes, it is.
Ay, ay, ay. Nothing I'd want to do. I'm shocked you haven't changed your phone number, Mark.
I got three properties. I got two in Florida and one in North Carolina.
Nice. You in Florida right now?
Yes.
Love it. I spent 12 years in Fort Lauderdale. Where you at?
I'm in Palm Coast. I got one house in Ormond Beach and one house in Palm Coast.
Very beautiful, man. My mother has a condo right now in Clearwater. I was just out there. Yeah, she
The other coast.
No, actually, my apologies. Not Clearwater, Fort Myers. Fort Myers.
The other coast.
Yeah, I know that. I'm just saying. Florida's a great space, great spot. What are you, snowbird, 6 and 6?
Well, I'm getting ready. I'm actually selling getting ready this week to put the house in Palm Coast on the market.
Oh, really?
Because I'm tired of Florida between the insurance and the taxes.
Yeah. No, I get it, man. Yeah, the hurricanes, it's the insurance is just raping you.
And then every time I get an insurance, it goes up several thousands of dollars. And I just got a renewal. I just got a renewal from my current company, who just went up and raised my deductible to $8,500.
Jesus.
That's absolutely stupid.
Yeah, it's highway robbery, Mark.
I'm paying them close to $10,000 a year for insurance.
Damn.
And $8,500 deductible. So
Wow.
if something happens to my house and it's $20,000 worth of damage, the insurance company's going to be gracious enough to give me $2,000.
Yep. No, I hear you, bud. I get it.
I'm out of here.
Yep.
I'm out of here.
Well, listen, at the end of the day, I could tell right as you answered that phone, I was like, oh boy, Mark's had a couple calls. And by the first or the fifth, you said you've had 2 already today?
I've had 2 in the last hour. You're the third within an hour.
Whoa. Holy smokes. All right. Well,
The third within an hour.
well, you've obviously stayed on the phone with me this long, not because you're not interested. I think you're just looking for the right company and the right price, right?
Well, all right. 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. I just put a new roof on it. I just redid all the AC ducts and air conditioning ducts. Had the thing all painted and drywalled inside. I put a new bathroom in there. The bathroom I totally redid. What else? There's a couple other things I've done to the house.
Mm-hmm.
They want to give me like $375 for the house. You're crazy.
Say it again.
Absolutely crazy.
What is? Say it one more time. I didn't catch that tail end.
They said the highest offer I've been given for the house is $375.
$375.
Yeah.
What are you looking to get out of it, I guess?
What am I looking to get out of it? The stuff on my street's been going $525, $550. It's what it's been going for on my street.
Got
so
it.
if they think I'm going to give them the house for $370. Anybody thinks they're going to get the house for $375. They're crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me just pull it up here real quick. How long you been down there in Florida?
I've been in Florida since 1977. My wife was born and raised
What part of Florida?
in Daytona Beach.
Oh, really?
My wife was born and raised Daytona Beach.
Got it. So she's a Floridian. My wife's a Floridian too in South Florida. You don't meet too many Floridians in Florida. Usually it's a place people migrate to.
Yep.
Yeah.
I came down in 1977, and I've lived down here since '77. But I've been between Jacksonville and Daytona is where I've lived
Oh, really?
on the East Coast here.
Got it. When did you do all that work to the when did you do all that work to the house?
The roof was done within the last 2 months,
Mm.
and the painting and drywall and AC ducts and all that been done within the last year.
Mm. Got it.
Same with the bathroom, all done within the last year.
Got it. Okay. All right. Listen, what I'm gonna do? Hold on. Let me pull this thing up here real quick. Because I got about 50 people I got to call today. I'm gonna circle back with you on this. I'm gonna circle back with you on this one, Mark. You've been a pleasure to speak with. You really have, and thanks for not taking out all your anger on me.
Well, like I say, it's an annoyance, the number of calls I get.
I'm sure. Well, when you own a bunch of properties, that's gonna happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's nothing against you. There's a lot of us out there trying to buy homes right now.
Well, I know, and I got a bunch of realtor friends.
Yeah.
And they told me this is what's going to happen. They're going to offer you 60% of what your market value is on your house or less. This is what the guys that call you want to buy the house. They'll offer you 60% maximum or less than that.
Well, let me ask you this. If you get an offer in that 80 without having to go through a realtor, pay commissions, as is, no closing cost, if you can get something higher than that, I'd have to, you're just irritated at 60%. What if it was 75, 80?
I'd have to see what 75 or 80, what your 75 or 80% equates to.
I'm looking right now, Mark, at the area, and I'm seeing some beautiful homes. I really am. Like I'm looking at 35 relaxed path, 3 bed, 3.5 or 2.5 bath, 1856 square feet. Beautiful log cabin. It really is. I mean, it's stunning. Like my wife.
I'm on the water.
I understand.
I am on the water.
Right, but this is listed for $369.
How much?
$369, and it's been sitting for like 120 days.
Yeah, but give me the address.
Yeah, right now. 35 relaxed path.
All right. Here's the problem.
What's the problem?
All right. You ready for this?
Yeah, hit me.
The R section in Palm Coast is considered the hood.
The hood?
The hood.
Oh boy, there ain't nothing hood about this
I'm
right now.
I'm a retired deputy sheriff here from Flagler County, where Palm Coast is.
Yeah.
And the R section over there is what's considered the hood. We have all kinds of problems over there. They used to make rap videos in there, the gangster rap videos. little gangbangers in there used to make gangster rap videos in there. The R section.
No. Mark, you're talking about your Florida property. I'm talking about the North Carolina property.
North Carolina property is no. What I just explained to you is the Florida property.
Oh, I'm talking about your North Carolina, bud.
All right, North Carolina is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, A-frame type house.
Yeah.
And, all right, and that right there is I got a realtor that's a friend that we actually bought the house from, or bought the house through, and she's saying put the house on the market for $350 and walk away from it for like $320, $325.
And is it
the North Carolina house?
Right? Did you do?
The North Carolina house has a brand new roof on it within a year also.
Yeah.
And I just put a water filtration system in there.
Yep.
What else? I haven't had to do much to that house.
Are you driving right now?
Yes, I am.
Are you? Got it. And you're interested. I'm not talking about Florida at all. This conversation was focused around North Carolina.
All right. Well, there's 2 bedroom, 2 bath.
Yep.
It's got a deck. The deck's been redone in the last 2 years. It's got cable railing, the stainless steel cable railing. You know, the wire railing around.
Yeah.
I just put within the last year and a half. I put a water filtration system in there because I'm well water, and that's it had a lot of iron in it. So we put a system in that thing, and that water's crystal clear and pure. It's great. Got a wood burning fireplace in it.
Love the smell of wood burning. Can't beat that, Mark.
Wood burning fireplace. There is no carport. There is no garage.
No carport, no garage. Hey, I'm gonna take a step back, Mark, and my apologies for not doing this. I'm gonna this is your primary cell phone.
Yes, it is.
All right, cool. I'm gonna shoot you over right now my brand office number and my contact information, because you get a ton of phone calls, and I can assure you, you probably don't know one name of a company or a person that you've spoke to in the last 60 days that said they were going to buy your house. And I want to make sure I can stand out a little bit, all right?
All right.
I just shot you over all my contact information via text message. So on the North Carolina house, Mark, this is something, are you married?
Yep.
Got it. When's the last time you and what's your wife's name? Jackie. Love that. All right, cool. When's the last time you and Jackie talked about possibly selling Murphy?
Well, our plan is to sell Palm Coast.
Okay.
She's up there right now. Our plan is to sell Palm Coast.
Okay.
Move full time into the Murphy house.
Oh, it is.
Look around for something that we want with acreage and seclusion and all, and then buy that, and then sell the Murphy house. That's the plan.
So you got some time.
Yeah.
Until you sell Murphy.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Understood. You're probably more than what, 6? Go ahead.
If somebody turns around and buys the Palm Coast house, right, and she sees something tomorrow, we'll be buying that tomorrow. We'll be selling Murphy tomorrow. So Murphy is contingent upon finding the replacement house for the Palm Coast house. I
understood. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow up with you every 30 days just to see where you and Jackie are at. We're interested in North Carolina, okay?
Okay.
All right. And then Mark, I'm gonna remind you every time I call, I'm the guy that shot you the text message, Mark.
Okay.
That way you know I'm not one of these other guys. I'm gonna ask how you and Jackie are doing, so you know I know it's not the first time that we've spoke. And I'm gonna ask you how the Palm Coast sale is going. And just so you know that we've spoke before, I'll remind you real quick of who I am, and it's not the first time that we've talked.
All right.
All right, brother. Hey, listen, I appreciate your time, and I get it. You're frustrated with all these damn calls. But when the time's right, time and circumstances are right, let's talk about Murphy.
Okay.
All right, appreciate you, man. You have a great day. And, hey, thank you you said you were a deputy for how long?
I was 39 years in law enforcement.
39 years in law enforcement. Hot damn. Well, my cousin was on the drug and gang unit in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And during COVID, all that nonsense that was going around with shooting cops and shit, he lost, I don't know the time span in which it happened, but he lost like 3 or 4 of his really good friends in a short period of time. And his wife literally, he was walking out the door one day. They have 2 little girls, and she's like, I can't let you walk out this door anymore. Like, I don't even know if you're going to come home tonight.
Yeah.
So appreciate your service, brother.
All right.
All right, man. You have a good one, bud. Bye.
All right.
Bye. All right. So again, like, and I just want to reiterate why I wanted to stay on the phone with him. I don't care how pissed off they are. There's a way to deflect all of it.
Hey, what's going on? I want to congratulate you for making it to the end. What does that mean? You're in the 1% club. No one else stuck around. You did. What I want you to do is subscribe. More importantly, comment below. That way I know exactly who you are and we can get to know one another. Every single week, by you turning your notifications on, you're not gonna miss the sales training that's gonna keep you in this 1% club. Comment below, subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's continue to refuse to lose.